Hi guys, what's up? Today we are doing, can you guess, another late Boxycharm. You can see it's like stopped at customs and everything, so it is today the 1st of March. Normally I do get it just before the end of the month, but lately I've been getting it the next month. So yeah, we're going to be unboxing this month's or February's Boxycharm. So if you want to see what we got, if you haven't already, I'm sure everybody's seen how it works because I'm always late, but keep watching. Okay guys, so I am just going to take a peek inside again. I did look just to see if everything was still whole, because I saw so many people's bronzers and stuff broke, and I had a look just at the bronzer and I saw that it was still alive. Mine was actually packaged very nicely, so I really do think it is the courier companies that do that. So the first thing I do think I'm going to use first is the Poreblem primer. So before I get into that, let me just, because I didn't know what this was. It's just smooth and pore covering. Okay, let me read for you guys what it is. It says, Touch and Soul No Poreblem Primer. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Poreblem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives to hold on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. Okay, and that is $18. It's not too bad for a nice primer. So I'm just going to put some moisturizer on first. I'm just going to use my Neutrogena and mix it with a little bit of sunblock SPF. I use the Everysun one. So let's just do that quickly, and then we can put that over. So I just mix that's what I do. I don't know if it's the correct way to do it, but I mix my moisturizer in the day with my sunblock, because I don't go out without sunblock because I'm old. Yes, very old. When you get over 30, you start focusing less on makeup and more on skincare, and then it's almost too late. And yeah, I've been struggling with my chin lately, so like it's really dry, so I just need to moisturize as much as I can. Okay, so I love this bottle. It's beautiful. Can you guys see? It doesn't say much on the back. It does say made in Korea, so it is a Korean product. Let me just check it a bit. Okay, so it doesn't really say 1 pump, 2 pumps, 5 pumps, or so I'm just going to pump. It's got a nice pump. Oh, so I'm just taking that much, and I'm gonna see how this works. It's got a funny like plasticky smell to it, but I don't mind that. If it doesn't have any fragrance in, it's not too bad. I just want to take a little bit more here for my chin area. And I always rub very hard. I don't know why. It's just okay. So that feels actually very silicone. It doesn't have any ingredients on the bottle or anywhere, so I can't really say what's in there, which is weird. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a look at my skin, see how it is. Okay, so it has filled in my pores. It does have a very funny smell, like plasticky smell, and I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's probably like silicone. It's yeah, it is like doing some pore filling. Let's see if we put foundation over it, how it's performing. So I'm just going to put on some Essence Camouflage, and I'll forward through this part, put concealer on, and basically powder, and then we can carry on.
Going on, and the melody of my ears the peak without no regret. You got no love without no love. You got no regret without no regret. You got no love. A melody where I belong in this life.
So I've got some bronzer on and just some foundation and did brush my brows, and then the next thing in the box is this. Oh, it's like the Nudestix. Oh, it's like Friday and everybody has to freaking call on a Friday and message. Sorry guys. Okay, so it's the Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. This is in copper foil, and it says here Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding and easy to blend. The Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes eyelids for all day waterproof wear to ensure your nude glam lasts. This little pencil is $24. That's a lot. Mother, let me just put it on now. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to take this little pencil. This is what it looks like one of those jumbo pencils. And let me just scoot in so you can see. I haven't tried this yet. Oh, sorry, in my eyeball almost. Okay, let me just put the mirror. Okay, but then you guys can't see. This is freaking tricky. Okay, let me just with one hand now try and just, I've got wrinkly eyes as well because I'm old. This pencil is super soft. That's one thing I can say. So that is the color. I'm just gonna try and blend it and see, because they say that you can blend. Oh, it does blend, but some of the color like almost fades then, so you'll have to just go in and reapply. So I'm just going to apply like a more proper line. I don't know, it's not a bad product. I'm more what is the word, inclined to just go into a palette, you know. I'm all for the easy life, but if these people start cutting grass now, I'm gonna freaking shit in my... Sorry about the noise, guys. So it does blend amazingly, as you guys can see. What is this piece of nonsense here? So as you guys can see, it is beautiful. I'm just gonna take that color and bend a little, yeah, bend over, baby. Okay, bend. Oh, freaking hell, what's going on with me today? It's Friday. Okay, so just put a little bit here on my lower. This is super soft on your lower lash line, but I just want to blend like into the top. This is probably the wrong brush to use, but hey, it's Lazy Friday. Okay, so this is it. I think I really like it. I'm just going to do the other eye quickly and then we can carry on. So, this is a very beautiful product. The only thing I have, well, it's not really like anything. Oh, my eye is burning. Let me just clean whatever went into my eye because I think it's some of my eye sunblock. Okay. So, I do think this is a beautiful product. The only thing is I wouldn't personally reach for it over a palette because I've got so much makeup. But I mean, it applies beautifully, as you guys can see. It's very pigmented. It blends amazingly. I just want to powder up here a bit. It blends amazingly, and yeah, for someone that's like an everyday wearer of this type of product, this is beautiful. If you like natural makeup and easy, and it's like one product out the door, this is definitely something you'd love. Because I love it. It's just I wouldn't gravitate towards when I grab something quick. But I mean, it's beautiful. I mean, look at it, guys. Just from a pencil, it's super soft as well. So that's definitely a very, very nice product. And it blends. Can you guys see how nice it blends? Like, you don't need anything else. You literally just need this pencil. Okay, next thing in the box is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Okay, if you guys can see. So this has got like kind of this the similar wand to the L'Oreal Paradise Lash Paradise or whatever, or for me it seems like it. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats and cools each lash to voluptuous perfection. Agakai Senegal tree extract sets volume while film forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. Okay, let me just get my MT roller lash. I use this brush all the time just to separate because I've got such straight lashes. So let's try this. Here we go. This brush is freaking huge, so okay, so this is quite nice. It's not clumpy or it's actually beautiful. Let me just brush it through with this because I'm almost certain it's gonna look even better after I put this and then put a second coat. I don't know why this brush works for me. It almost like separates my lashes, and then I'm going to go in with a second coat of this and see if I can fold it up a bit. Okay, now my nose is starting to run because my eyes teared earlier. Shit. So this is a beautiful, it almost gives like a natural finish. Can you guys see? Very pretty. So I'm just going to put the other side on and then we can carry on. And then the last thing in the box. Oh yeah, I forgot to read the pretty Vulgar thing. $32. Holy shit. Okay. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. Okay, now the last thing is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. Moisture Magnet Oil in Water Body Cream. So that's what this looks like. It retails for $20, this little one. Sol de Janeiro's Coco Cabana Cream instantly transformed dry, hydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luscious version of itself. Its oil and water gel cream texture kisses the body with a cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold and hug moisture for up to 72 hours. Jeez. Deliciously scented with a Cheirosa 39 fragrance with mouth-watering notes of coconut, toasted praline and warm vanilla latte. Okay, let me smell this. Oh, it's like a jelly. Oh, that's very sweet, guys. It tastes like a pudding, like a warm winter pudding. I'm just not sure how I feel about it. It's a very strong scent. I'm going to put some on my hands and we can see. Maybe the smell diffuses a little bit as you use it. It's a very, it's almost like I just ate pudding with my hands, like a very sweet milk tart type of pudding, and yeah, it goes into my skin very quickly, so that's nice. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's late again. You know how I work, everything's always late with me. And yeah, if you guys watched till this part of the movie, give it a thumbs up please, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.